Redmi 9 with Helio G35 SoC, 5000 mAh battery launched starting at 8,999 rupees. Xiaomi continues to expand the Redmi 9 series with the launch of yet another phone in the month of August. Launched in India today, the Redmi 9 follows suit to the Redmi 9 Prime that was unveiled earlier this month. Redmi 9 is a rebranded version of the Redmi 9C, made its global debut in June, but with a minor downgrade on the camera front. Redmi 9 specs and features. The smartphone boasts the Aura Edge design for a comfortable grip and a peppy new orange color that I quite like. You will also find a square camera setup and a capacitive fingerprint sensor on the rear and a water drop notch display on the front. The Redmi 9 features a 6.53-inch HD Plus IPS LCD panel with a 20:9 aspect ratio and 1600 by 720 resolution. It includes a water drop notch, housing a 5MP selfie camera, at the top. As for the rear camera system, this is where the Redmi 9 India variant differs from the Redmi 9C. It includes a dual camera system with a 13MP primary camera and a 2MP depth sensor as opposed to a triple camera system aboard the Redmi 9C. You get a new camera UI and pro camera mode even under the 10,000 rupee price tag. Under the hood, Redmi 9 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset that's also found aboard Realm's entry-level C series. You will also find 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of built-in storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via a microSD slot. Redmi 9 is the first phone from Xiaomi in India to launch with the new MIUI 12 skin out of the box. This means you will get all of the new features, including the new UI, floating windows, privacy upgrades, dark mode 2.0, and much more. The smartphone also comes equipped with a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 10 watts, 5V/2A, charging support via the micro USB port on board. You also have a 3.5mm audio jack, IR blaster, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support on the connectivity front. Price and availability. The 4GB plus 64GB space variant has been priced at 8,999 rupees in India, while the higher-end 4GB plus 128GB variant has been priced at 9,999 rupees. It will compete against the Realm C11 and C12 in the sub-Rs 10,000 price bracket in India. The smartphone will be available in 3 colorways: sporty orange, sky blue, and carbon black. It will go on sale starting from 31st August, exclusively on Mi.com and Amazon India.